there are many mysteries untouched by science, but even if science extended into every aspect of our lives, it can only provide answers to how, not why. So the idea that science is somehow in opposition to religion is false. Science is a work in progress, the opposite of a petrified dogma. It offers the best explanation to date, always subject to revision or replacement altogether, of the various phenomena we as human beings experience in the world. If in your church your spiritual leader is setting up an opposition between the scientific way of interpreting the world and a few lines from the book of Genesis, then he is creating a false opposition. Moses didn't have the tools or taste we have today for making observations, and even if he did, he may have decided to exclude millions of pages of detail simply to keep the book of Genesis from being unreadably long. We may never be able to see or understand the way God works, but we can learn a great deal about his creation as it reveals itself to us. If your religious leaders tell you evolution is false, ask them if their microwave ovens, cell phones, or Chevy Vortex Silverados are false. Ask them if laser-guided air-to-ground missiles, multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle nuclear warheads, or geosynchronous Earth-orbiting satellites are false. Ask them how they know which scientific realities to accept and which to deny. Do they really understand the physics behind nuclear power, the biology behind genetically engineered crops? Yet if human scientists and engineers can understand and work within the forces of nature to produce cell phones and nuclear bombs, do you really think it's beyond the abilities of an all-powerful, all-knowing God to create the diversity and richness of life any way he chooses, including through a process we call evolution? In my church, we do not fear the human ability to observe and analyze the world around us. We do not think that creating systems that allow us to understand and work within the world of nature is an affront to God. A religion that denies the theory of evolution outright is a cult headed backward toward the Stone Age and the death of civilization as we know it. Say no to death. Choose life. Choose the future. Choose Night Church.